Get them their very own Jeep Rubicon push-along ride-on car with personalised number plates to boot. Our customers have been requesting a push-along version of the bigger Jeep Rubicon model, and we were happy to oblige. This is a nifty little push-along with a leather style seat and looks to have their imaginations running for days. It's suitable for children of up to 3 years of age or up to 95 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Start-up engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, functioning horn, official brand stickers and badges.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. Forward and reverse gears. The integrated storage compartment allows your child to take their belongings with them on their adventure. Padded leather style seats. Integrated footrests make for a great riding experience. Go from electric to push along in seconds. We give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks, which are compatible with this ride-on's onboard media player. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer a free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.